Hi friends, this is your Swasdevro. In this video, I will explain about the calculation of theory. Theories of capital structures. Theories of capital structure. There are four theories: net income approach, net operating income approach, approach, or traditional approach. Theories also known as approaches. In previous video, I explained about net income and net operating theories. Let us discuss about theory. Theory propounded by Professor Modigliani and Professor Miller. It is an irrelevant theory. According to them, there is no impact of capital structure on company's value. Theory states that the capital structure decision of a firm does not affect the market value of a firm. According to theory, value of firm is equal V is equal to EBIT by K into 1 minus T. T stands for tax rate. Let us discuss the example. Two firms A and B are identically same in all aspects except in their capital structure. Firm A has 10% debentures of 50 lakhs rupees. Firm B has no debentures. EBIT is the same for both firms, 10 lakhs rupees. Equity capitalization rate for firm A 16%, for firm B 12.5%. You are required to calculate value of firm for both firms and also calculate overall cost of capital. Solution: according to theory, value of firm V is equal to S plus B. Equity plus debt equals to total value of the firm. To determine the value of firm, first we have to calculate the market value of equity. Market value of equity S is equal to net income by KE, cost of equity. Let us determine the net income. Income statement for firm A and B. It required 3 columns. Earning before interest and taxes for firm A 10 lakhs, firm B 10 lakhs. Minus, we deduct interest on debentures. Firm A have debentures of 50 lakhs with 10% interest, that is 5 lakhs. Firm B have no interest, no debentures. The balance earning before taxes, 5 lakhs for firm A, 10 lakhs for firm B. Minus, if there is any taxes, no taxes. After deducting the tax, the balance called as earning after taxes, 5 lakhs for firm A, 10 lakhs for firm B. We deduct if there are any preference dividends. No preference dividend given here. The balance called as net income, 5 lakhs for firm A, 10 lakhs for firm B. Cost of equity or equity capitalization rate given as 16% for firm A, 16% for firm A, 12.5% for firm B. Let us calculate the value of firm. To calculate value of firm, we required calculate market value of equity. S is equal net income by KE. Calculate for Form A and Form B. Market value of equity for Form A 5 lakhs by 16%, that is equal 31,25,000. Form B 10 lakhs by 12.5%, 80 lakhs. Plus we add market value of debt. Only Form A has debt value, Form B has no debt value. Market value of debt for Form A 50 lakhs, Form B 0. Therefore, the value of firm 81,25,000 for Form A, 80 lakhs for Form B. Next, calculation of overall cost of capital. Here we need to calculate overall cost of capital for Form A and Form B. Formula K is equal to EBIT by V. EBIT value for Form A 10 lakhs, Form B 10 lakhs. V value for Form A 81,25,000, Form B 80 lakhs. Therefore, if you substitute those values for Form A, K is equal to 10 lakhs by 81,25,000 into 100, that is 12.3%. For Form B, K is equal to 10 lakhs by 80 lakhs into 100, that is 12.5%. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this video for more updates. Please forward to your friends.